How to use the map to browse photos by places in Google Photos, Android Central. We have loved Google Photos since it was embedded in the now-defunct Google Plus social network, RIP Google Plus. And the service has continued to evolve and set the standard for cloud-based photo storage over the years. The Spring 2020 update has added a fresh coat of paint and some really handy features, such as the ability to search for your photo memories from a map. We'll show you where to find this feature and how to use it so that you can start reliving those amazing memories today. Zoom in on the colored blobs to find locations where your photos were taken. Or scroll through the thumbnails below the map. So simple. It was always possible to search photos by location by typing a city, country, or area in the search bar. But now with the incorporated heat map, it's never been easier or more fun to explore your memories in this way. If you're going to be taking photos with your phone, you're going to want a phone with a great camera. The Pixel 3a doesn't just have a great camera for a budget device, it's excellent by any measure. Daytime or night, rear or front, it's the best you can get. If for some reason you don't have Google Photos on your phone, or if you need to update it, get that to the Play Store at once. If you're one of the 2 Android users alive who still doesn't have Google Photos on your phone, grab this latest update. You won't regret it. The Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life. But it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. If you're getting frustrated with the lack of privacy, slower speeds, or difficulty using extensions in Chrome, it's time to switch to one of these web browsers. What do you do before sharing a photo? You edit it. These are the best photo editing apps that you can get on your Android device today. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.